Hi everyone, thanks for dropping by my YouTube channel today, where I'm about to do final tests on Michael's Breckwell brand pellet stove controller. As you can see, this is an older analog model, but it's actually in very good condition. Michael sent me this one because he was having some problems with it. When he came to use it this season, the low BCDE max switch position had no effect. So it had no effect on the room fan intensity, and it had no effect on the auger pellet drive. So I asked Michael to go ahead and send it to me. I'd have a look at it. I received it today. I did some troubleshooting work. I made some corrections, and the controller is now fully functional once again. So it's time to do final tests. As you can see, Michael's controller is mounted onto the faceplate of my tester. The tester is made up of an auger motor, which is behind the faceplate here. The shaft for the auger motor comes out the front. I have a little decal on it, X marks the spot. We'll see that spin when the controller calls for the auger to drive. We should also see a little green LED in the back just above the word pellet come on. I have at the back 4 light bulbs. These light bulbs simulate the different functions of the pellet stove. The first one simulates the igniter. The next one simulates the combustion or firebox fan. The next one simulates the auger motor, and finally in red at the far end is the convection or room fan. For this controller we will not see the igniter come on because it does not have the capability to drive the igniter. So let me go ahead and turn it on, and when we do we'll see a couple of lights come on, and we may get a partial cycle of the auger motor. So I am in low, I'm in the center position here, so let me go ahead and turn it on. And as you see, 2 lights came on. The combustion or the firebox fan and the room fan came on. It came on because of the way I have my tester wired. So we're currently in manual mode, and there's a couple tests we can do. We can check the high fan. So as I press this switch, we see the intensity of the light bulb for the room fan go up. The higher intensity indicates that the fan would be running faster, so that's working correctly. We're also in low here, so I can rotate through the B, C, D, E max positions, and we see the intensity of the light bulb changes with every one of the position changes, so that's functioning correctly. It did not change from D, E to max because those 3 positions are hardwired on the controller itself. But D, C, B, and low, the intensity does change. D, E, and max will change the pellet drive speed. The next thing we can check is the manual feed, which is this button over here. When I press that, we see the auger motor simulator come on. We actually hear the auger motor drive, and we see X marks the spot spinning here. You will not see the little green light behind here come on here because we're in manual mode. It is not on. So let's go back to low. So let's go ahead and go to automatic mode. To do that, I press on the auger button here. And when I do that, the little green LED up top here will come on to tell us we're in automatic mode. So if I do that, we see the green LED came on, and we had a quick cycle of the auger drive. So let's wait approximately 20 seconds, and when we do, we'll see the auger simulator light come on, we'll hear the auger motor drive, and we'll see X marks the spot, and we should see the light behind the faceplate come on as well. There, all those things happen. A very short burst. We'll do one more short burst of that. Let's go. Come on. There we are. So let's go through B, and it does not turn on the auger. C, D, E, and max. So now we're in max position. The duration between the on cycles will be shorter, and the on cycle is longer. So we have a longer on time, and we'll have a shorter off time. Let's do that a couple more times. Short off time, long on time. There it is. So everything is now functioning correctly with this controller. Michael, I want to thank you very much for sending this to me. I appreciate it very much. And for all you viewers, if you have a pellet stove controller of your own that you need serviced, whether it's a Breckwell, Quadrifire, or Whitfield, or any other brand, USSC for example, feel free to give me a call. I'd be more than happy to speak to you about it and see what I can do to help you out. In the meantime, I hope you'll take a few seconds to like this video, give it a thumbs up, and subscribe to my channel. I would appreciate that very much. Thanks everyone. Bye bye.